Okay, so I'm pretty much going to show you my glue pulling setup. It's a variety of tabs, and I've had these since basically 15 or 16. And the Black Plague Gangrene 2016, I got those, and they're still great. And then the black ones I've had since 2015. And I just got these new Gangrene dead center crease tabs this week or last week, and they've been amazing. And I also got the Cam Auto eye bars, so those are going to help me make large pulls as well. So I'm going to show you the setup real quick and basically show you a really good starter set you must have, in my opinion. Let's take a look. So this is pretty much what I have here. So for Hell, if you're going to be a Hell technician and all you want to do is Hell, you don't need crease tabs. These ones really, I mean, you may want to use some smaller crease tabs for doing rails with large deep dents, but for Hell damage, you don't even need these big ones. You don't really need those. All you really need is these guys right here. I mean, these are great, and these are the Gangrene 12s. These are 12 BP 12s. Those are excellent tabs for doing Hell. Also, you probably want to get some of these ice ones here. These are freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing for Hell damage. I mean, these are just sick nasty. I would get like the 8s, and these really super tiny ones right here, I wouldn't even get those. Those suck. I mean, they just suck. But the next two sizes up from those are amazing. The green ones I haven't really tried yet. I did a repair yesterday and tried them, and they're really stretchy, which is kind of odd, but it still pulled great. And these bigger ones here, rarely do I use those on Hell. It's just very rare. I used them a lot last year, these ones right here, and I rarely touched these since these come out. But I would recommend at least getting the BP 12s, the Gangrenes, or the black, either one, and getting you some dead center ice tabs. The blue ones for sure, and if you want to get the green ones, might as well get them. And I would get the 2 sizes larger than the smallest ones they make, because those are just terrible in my opinion. And also I would recommend getting the Laka triangle tabs. There's 2 sizes. There's this size and then the large size. I would get both, the squares and the triangles. These are freaking amazing for really big pulls, deep dents on rails. And if you're going to make deep dents on rails, I would get the glue super hot, or like you normally do, put a nice fair amount of glue on there and place it on the dent and pull it while the glue is still wet. You don't want it to be dried or cured when you pull it on these deeper dents. That way it's called a wet pull, and you get a better pull, in my opinion, on deeper dents. Try that out with these tabs. They work freaking phenomenal. It's called a wet pull. Yeah, and on these tabs here, you just want to apply a very small amount of glue. I mean, you don't want much at all. You can see how much glue is on that tab. It didn't even really go on the sides much at all. You just don't need much glue. That's the key. Let's see what else. These are pretty good. I tried these yesterday as well on a couple of dents, so I like those. And then you got all these up here, the eyes, the gangrene, and then you got the dead center ones right here, the super bright green ones. I like these a lot for doing Hell on rails. They work very well for ones near the edge. Also, this is what I recommend you must have if you're retail, you're mobile, and you're doing big dents. If you're doing Hell, you do not need this bag. But if you're doing larger dents, just get the Kiko super tabs. You're gonna get this K-bar. Just go ahead and get the K-bar, and if you want, get the brake attachment. It's only $125. Just get it. This is not essential, but this is essential. And get you a glue gun that has a large chamber, so you can fill up those super tabs with plenty of glue. I would get all the super tabs, and I would get all the crease tabs that Kiko makes. Must. Absolute must. These are for doing large pulls. I mean, you don't absolutely have to have these, but this is for really, and the Black Plague crease tabs, the large ones, I would get that set too as well if I were you. comes with quite a few tabs, and these super small tabs here as well. So that's pretty much the setup. And I also have a mobile blue pulling tower I built. I got a video on that. That's a whole nother ball game, but that's it. That's my setup. Hail damage, you want this for doing creases and retail dents. You want to get these tabs and the super tabs and all that stuff over there. That's pretty much it. And last but not least, I actually got this set from Anson last week. They sent me this set on accident. And this is on sale for $89. You get all these tabs and all these glue sticks. And I didn't want it, but they sent it to me. And I used it yesterday, and these tabs right here are freaking amazing. These ones right here and these ones right here. They are freaking killer on bedsides. They're just so amazing. And I like these on hail, actually. These Atlas tabs for hail damage, they do work really well. Not gonna lie. I mean, these little tabs work great too. I am just so surprised how well these pull. These right here I haven't really tried, but for $89, all that and the glue, that's a freaking home run. If you can, pick that up too. You will not be disappointed. But most importantly, figure out if you're going to be a hail tech or a mobile retail tech doing big dents, and build your set according to that.